You can travel a whole ocean on a plate and resonate with someone. And that's the beauty of cooking.
We all come from different places. We have different traditions, different tastes. But if one thing can bring people together, it's delicious food. I'm Einat Admony, and I'm collaborating with some of the most exciting chefs from around the country to create some magic in a kitchen. And because I'm from Tel Aviv, there is one dish that will definitely be on the menu: hummus.
Hummus is the soul food of a culture, and I'm bringing the soul food of my culture to create an incredible marriage.
My grandmother taught me my philosophy of cooking, to cook really with love and with your heart.
The thing that drives me inspirationally the most is traveling and getting out of my comfort zone, eating other people's foods, eating other cuisines.
Hummus is a staple dish of my culture, but it's also a blank canvas that welcomes new colors, new flavors, and new twists.
I'm really excited to incorporate hummus into my cuisine, and I know that it's going to be an exploration.
It's all about culture, cuisine, and collaboration. Welcome to Whirled Peas.